I will show you three ingredients for fastest hair growth at home. The first ingredient you're going to be using is onion. Onion is perfect for hair growth. Onion contains sulfur, which stimulates collagen production, and collagen in turn promotes hair growth and stop hair loss. You have to either grate the onion or use blender, anyone you have at home. Use it to extract the onion juice. So after you have finished grating your onion, you can use one or two onion, anyone you like, just use it. So you have to spread it to extract the onion juice. Remember not to add water to it. Avoid diluting the onion because adding water may limit the effect. So after you have finished spreading the onion, this is your onion juice, which is good for hair growth. The next ingredient, the second ingredient, is aloe vera. Aloe vera is very good for hair growth. It's very good for hair growth. Aloe vera is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to promote hair growth and stop hair loss. Aloe vera also contains vitamin A and B12. So, making use of aloe vera is very good for hair growth. Extract the aloe vera gel. You can use anything to extract it. I normally use my grater. Anyways, you can use anything you have. You can use spoon or knife, anything you have, or you can even put everything inside a blender, then blend it. I normally use my grater for easy extraction. See it here, see the aloe vera gel. Can you see? It's very easy to extract using a grater. So this is your aloe vera gel. All you have to do now is to mix it. Remember to put the third ingredients. Anyways, the third ingredient is very easy to do, is your rice water. You just have to store it for 2 to 3 days. So mix this together, add your onion juice. This is your onion juice, the extracted onion juice. Add it to the aloe vera gel. After you have finished adding it, then bring out your fermented rice water that you have stored for 2 days, that you have made to infuse for 2 days. Then you have to add your fermented rice water to it. After adding your fermented rice water, you have to mix these three ingredients together. Mix them well, properly well. After you have finished mixing the three ingredients together, what you have to do is to apply it on your scalp to hair tips. Cover it with shower cap or polythene bag. Leave it for 2 hours. Wash it off and shampoo as always. Like this video, share this video with your friends. Thank you.